Welcome to this video. I want to train to Lugano from Terminal 1 at Milan Airport. We're going to Elstrop by the old tunnel. I want to hear that do do do. So I want you to hear it as well. I hope you're well. They speak Italian in Lugano, and elsewhere they speak German. We're going to go back to the old tunnel. We're going to go to the base tunnel the way back. I'm with my two support workers. It's the first time they've been to Milan, and it's the first time they've been to Switzerland. It's one of the first services to go to Switzerland. Time is now 11:29 European time. So that means it's 10:29 in England. It makes a noise. It says before it tells you the station. I'll just wait for that. Next service is something Adolf. Lord. How do you say it? Bestu Adolf. You know, 11:35. So we come back to the base tunnel as well, the new one, which is 35.5 miles long, which is it's the longest tunnel in the world. Take 20 minutes to go through. The new old tunnel takes 10 minutes, and is between 9 and 10 miles. This is the S50. It's carrying that 10 to Elstrop in Italian. Here we go.
Prossima fermata, Busto Arsizio Nord. Questo treno prosegue come S50 per Busto Arsizio, Gallarate, di Asia.
I'll see you in.
Next stop, Busto Arsizio Nord. This train continues as S50 service to Busto Arsizio, Gallarate, Yasko.
I'll see you in Lugano.